Hello and welcome to part 63 of creating this PHP web framework series, and this is part 4 of the GIPHY API section, and we should be wrapping it up today. So we was just on looping over the results and then fixed random search not working as the element 1. So if we go to our thing, we were getting errors basically because we go to miscellaneous, for example, get or GIF. It's the random search one that's messing it up because it just returns the one, hence a problem. So I thought of a couple of ways to fix it. So if we go back to image, so get first of all, when we were doing something in get or GIF URLs, we got get all the GIF results, that's fine. Then we got get all GIF URLs. And what we'll do is, don't think we'll need this method, but for now we'll keep it. I'm gonna have a private variable called multiple results. And multiple results, by default this will equal false. It doesn't actually really matter what it is. I'll set equal to true, so equals true. So depending on what sort of search you do will depend on what sort of result you get. So if we do like a search or a trending search, this will be assigned to true, like so. If we do a random search, we'll get just false. So in here, basically this aspect, now we're going to see, here we go, counting it with, so we're going to do an if. So if this is true, then there's multiple results, etc., etc. And this can be go outside because we're going to use this for both sides. The results count is only needed for do we even need results count? Don't believe we even need that anymore. Okay, we can get rid of that. So all it's needed for is this. Otherwise, we would essentially do this like so. We're still doing array push to the GIF URL, but we're only going to push one URL, and it is going to be of we'll copy that. Do $image equals that feel like this isn't gonna quite work, so let's go back, refresh. Okay. 1 second, I'll go back to miscellaneous. Yeah, okay, that seems to be better. And see what these errors are about. So line 16, get rid of that. And need to get rid of that. So my bad, shouldn't have had it like that. line 93 now. Yep, forgot to remove from there. Okay. Is this echo in here or is it outside? I don't think it's in here. So I can actually get rid of this method, get last GIPHY URL. Don't need that. And in miscellaneous, yeah, we're doing the print R there. So if I just get rid of that, I should get rid of this now. Fantastic. So instead, if we were to do get trending search, for example, and by default it'll return 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, we are just accessing number. The first one, this is accessing the last one now. Okay, that's good. Want to confirm one last thing. What would happen if, let's say, we did a trending search where we only got one, or a regular search when we only got one? Will it still work? Okay, seems to still work. So if we were to do the GIF search, the regular one, GIF search, and if we were to put a string in here like, let's put Rick and Morty. That is pretty darn cool. And obviously this will return a slightly different one. This guy gets it. Yeah, that's from this season, that is. I think that was episode... No, it wasn't 1, 2 or 3. 2, I think. Okay, so it seems to be done now. So loop over results, maybe depending on how generic it is, done that. Fix random search, yep, done that as well. Go to image, see if there's anything that needs to be cleaned up or anything that can be obviously abstracted. Not really. Get all GIF results. Okay, so what I want to do is remove all instances of the... I'll copy that. This shouldn't be GIPHY G. Oh yeah, that's fine actually. Leave that as it is. Go back, confirm it's still working. 28 minutes in, which is cool. Now let's go to the wiki. Wiki. And first of all, let's duplicate a class. Let's duplicate the database class. That's a singleton. We don't want that. We want like the user class. Okay, so edit that. Copy it. And new window. Paste it and open up Markdown. So let's get rid of all of this crap for now. Constructor. Yeah, we need a constructor. And we should just be able to get rid of the rest of that. Okay, so this is image class. This class provides a system for And why is it? Because obviously with the user class is a user system. With this image class, the moment it just gets GIFs, it'll eventually maybe get memes. It'll maybe have methods for manipulating images, for image manipulation and retrieval. Image manipulation and retrieval. This class, yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Constructor, it'll be cut image. I'm pretty positive, very positive that it takes no parameter in the constructor. I'm actually gonna move this over here so I can easily access the code. We don't need this crap. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 public methods. So first of all, let's duplicate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's sort out the numbering for 5. Okay, so it's going to be called GIF search. This is GIF trending search. GIF random search. And then get all GIF results. With the constructor, there's 6. Okay, so we need to copy that. So get all GIF results. Get all GIF URLs. So just need to make this lowercase for the anchoring. T S S R G G G R. This needs to be all lowercase URL. G A G. Okay, now can actually start implementing these methods. GIF search will be here. This method searches for GIFs based on a search query. Okie dokie. And it'll be image, GIF search, and copy that. Search query, limit file, fine. Search query is the query to search GIFs based on. Hold on. So is the query to search GIFs for. Search GIF for. Limit is an optional limit for the number of search results. Is an optional maximum limit, because you could get less if whatever query you put in only has 2 on there, and you use the default limit of 5, or let's say something 10. You supply your own limit like 10. You're not going to get more if there's only 2 there. You're just going to get 2. It's the maximum. And I will copy this, paste it here. I can change this to Star Wars limit. Let's just do 50, for example. And now so this should be GIF trending search. And for this, there's just a limit. And method searches for trending. Trending GIF. Cool. And copy that again. So this is going to be the random search now. Yeah, I messed up there. Gotta make sure I did it properly on this one. Yep, it looks so good. Let me know on the other one, which is here. Okay, so GIF random search. There will be something. There'll be a tag. So tag equals that. Tag is an optional tag to filter the random results. Okay, this method searches for a random GIF, and this again starts. I'll put gaming. Don't look to save that. Got 2 more methods to go. Need to make sure it's all properly, starting and ending with these for the code. Okay, so next one is get all GIF results. Get all GIF results. Don't need an example because there's actually no parameter. This method gets a decoded JSON array of all the results. Okay, so I will copy this one, not the one that we just used. That will serve us better because that already has a parameter. So get all GIF URLs. So we need to copy this, paste that here, and in here we'll change this to original and small. It's one of the other parameters. This method gets all the URLs of the images or of the GIF. Nope, don't do that. And size optional. It's an optional parameter to change the size of the image. Valid parameters are small and original. With fine, you can figure out that the original is the default one. Copy that. And now if I create a new page, classes, the image, is that what the class is called? Yep. Image class. We can save that now. Constructor, GIF trending, GIF random, get all GIF results, and obviously that can't go any further down. It's not done yet because we still need to, I think it's, yeah, the classes folder. Still need to create a section in here for image as well. So edit this, and where's the image? Image will be over here, just before this one. So we change it to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Image.php. So where we go? So if I copy and paste this, change this to an image. This class contains methods to handle images. Image. Save. Okay. So if I click, yep, that worked fine. Just need to edit this because image should actually come before it, because in the alphabet M comes before N. So we need to just sort this out, save that, and we're done. So now we can, I'll minimize this for now just in case we do need it. I don't think we will. We can actually commit the code. I'll launch it back up. So where am I looking? PHP web framework. Let's just make sure it's all synced. Opening Finder. We haven't done any changes to the schema, so the only changes that we need to actually make are to the code. So xampp htdocs. We need to go to PHP, copy that. Let's see what it picked up as changes. So admin. Okay, so backup. Looks like I've added a few things. Oh yeah, because I was doing some extra stuff that's not finished yet. It will be finished very, very soon. Doesn't bother me if you were to use this API key, because I would create another one, so it doesn't really bother me one. Okay, so okay, yeah, back up and then down. Okay, that's fine. Looks good. And did I update database with the stuff we added? Back up here. What I did. So I should just be able to commit this. So day 63 commit, and the main change is image class, new class with GIPHY API support. So commit to master, sync. If we go back, this should change that 10 seconds ago. All good. I want to create a new release for it. It's going to be beta 7. I'm working on a couple of websites with this framework, and once I've used it on them, they're slightly larger websites than I've used it before in the past. They will truly make use of the framework. It'll either go into release or changes will have to be made. So based on that, things will change in terms of the beta status. Okay, so draft new release version 7, and what was the method for doing it? I can get rid of all this actually. I still want that one open. So the method for, how did we put it? Following things have changed. I'll just copy that just to save some time. Leave it with asterisk space for markdown. Image class with GIPHY API support. Publish release. RG blows. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'll just sync it again. I'll close down GitHub. We are done for this video. So let me just go to Trello. We finish API integration. Before we do the CMS image compression, now I think we'll go back to simple, like create a simple view, edit a simple view, and create a view with get. Okay, yeah, we'll get back to doing some sort of CMF. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. GIPHY support is now in there via the API, which allows us to use GIFs, which is fantastic. But like I said, we'll eventually add other image support as well, possibly beams and all that other stuff as well. Some people might argue, oh, you don't need this. This isn't really crucial for a framework. But the way the industry and sort of the market is going with technology is becoming, you can just see based on announcements from big companies when they're announcing that as GIF supported, as emoji support. That's probably another one that we could add in there. It's a crucial thing that people want. Whether or not it's important and it has any real intrinsic value, yeah, not really, but people want it. So at the end of the day, it's useful to have it in there if you're going to be using that feature a lot. So okay, this has been day 63. Thanks for watching. Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter links will be in the description, along with the GitHub page that we've been visiting. So feel free to suggest stuff on our educational platform, so nowlearning.co.uk. That'll be in the description, or via the comments, or any way else. Email us, we post on Reddit. Doesn't really matter, just reach out and we will try and make this the best project possible. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. And I will see you in day 64.